For this video, let's step inside the details and explore each home captured in its photos. In your home page, look toward the upper right of your screen and click the button with your name initials on it. Click the Favorites. From here, you'll see the list of your favorite houses. Click on a home that catches your eye. Click on any photo to open the full gallery view. Use the arrows or swipe left and right to move through the images. Click the photo icon with a heart on it and it's saved to your favorites and you can close it. If available, just click the left or right arrow on the sides. You may also see other photos or additional visuals within the gallery. Viewing photos this way helps you imagine the layout, the flow, and the feel of the home. There is also a video available. The aerial shoot helps you visualize the outside of the house. Once you're done, just click the X to close the gallery. And that's how to view home photos on homes.com. Thank you for watching.